Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your account in the Fiverr affiliate. It is very simple and it is very easy. By affiliate link you can earn some extra money. So for that you have to scroll down and you will find this affiliate in the company section. Click on that, it will redirect to their new Fiverr affiliate program. Here you can see Fiverr, everyone favorite freelancer, find out more. You can, if you want more information about Fiverr affiliate, you can see here market gigs, pro services, logo makers. It will give you 10% of the future orders. So it's very good for the making extra money. First of all, it will redirect it to sign up page to Fiverr affiliate program. You have to fill all of these things. I will fill out all of this thing. First is I will put all the things, and I have already this account in the Fiverr affiliate program. So I will directly log in. It You have to give some social media links. So make sure you have a social media uh, profile. So it's just very easy and it's very simple. So after filling that form, it will redirect it to tell us little about yourself. How do you plan to promote Fiverr service? So, for example, you have to select your how you promote this affiliate program. So, for example, if you are going to upload a short or product or whatever you want to do with this affiliate link, you can select that. What are your audience is interested? You have to select which uh, services or which audience you are targeting. So you have to select that whatever and agree and register now. So it will register, start doing it, and what you put in the email, you have to log in with the email address and password. So that was simple and easy, and you can start earning money by without knowing any skills, just promoting others' services. So it was very easy. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button.